Easy Power Plant Review. Hello everyone, today we are going to be reviewing Easy Power Plant product. As usual, we first get the product before recording this video. This is to make sure you are not buying another black box. Ryan Taylor, a 45-year-old geography teacher, has claimed that Easy Power Plant will show you exactly how to create your own home power plant within today, cutting down by 60% or more of your electric bill in the next 30 days. And he's said to have designed the energy power plant product so that anyone with one hand can build it. I have had these types of claims before, so I wanted to have this product firsthand to see if it could get me similar results. And in this video review, I'll reveal my findings. Stay till the end of this video because I exposed their dirty secret. Hello again, and thank you for visiting the Energy Nerd channel. In this channel, we provide you with the best information you need to make a buying decision. Without further ado, let's get started. Here is what we are going to be looking at. Firstly, we'll look at what is Easy Power Plant. Second, we'll see who created the product. Third, we'll see how the product works. Fourth, we'll see does it work as it claims. Fifth, can you build it in a day? Sixth, what is our experience with the power plant product? Do we get value for your money? Seventh will be our conclusion and the dirty secrets. What is Easy Power Plant? It's a clickbank product that will show you how to create your own power plant fast. Who created the power plant product? The product is created by a crazy 45-year-old geography teacher who is living in Tennessee named Ryan Taylor. How the Easy Power Plant works. The Easy Power Plant generator is based on the following principle. The magnetic field generated by a group of controlled and temporized coils can set a rotor in motion, and this motion can then be used as a source for an alternator. Does it work the way it claims? Before we continue, let us go to the members area and take a look. Here in the members area, we can see the PDF guide, the training video that will help you build your own system easily. He also added some bonuses that can help you save energy. So now back to our question again. Does it work? In this video training area, the product creator constructs his system step by step on camera up to the testing stage. So he provides a very good information. Yes, it works in the training video. Can you build it in a day? No, I don't think so. Even if you have all the tools and materials, it will take you at least 2 or more days to build it. What is our experience with the Easy Power Plant product? To be honest with you, we have learned some tips and tricks from the Easy Power Plant product. However, I think the product is incomplete. Moreover, in the training video, he keeps saying see picture 1, see picture 2, and so on and so forth. But there is no such pictures or diagrams in the members area, nor you can find it in their PDF guide. I expect the product owner to put the wiring diagram in the PDF guide or in the members area, but he did not. He only put this circuit diagram, which is not enough even for the most advanced technical guys. By looking at this diagram only, you cannot make this system work. Dirty secret exposed. The video clip they put on their sales letter showing you how the final product will look like is not the same product they built in the members area. You can also see the difference. Conclusion. To sum it up, I think the product is incomplete and the product owner needs to update it and give us all the information we need in order to build our own copy. Now the question, Can anybody build similar product after buying? I don't think so, because the most important part of this project, that is the wiring diagram, he just showed it inside the video training, but he did not put it in the PDF guide nor in the members area so that you can see how to put your wires. Did I recommend this product for you? No, don't waste your money. As I said, the product is incomplete, so it will not help you for now. If the product owner updates their product, I will release a new video review on it, but for now it's not worth your time and money. Once again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for a better review on energy related products. Like and share this video if you find it helpful. Moreover, if you want us to review a product, comment it below and we will do our best. Thank you for now and stay safe.